Welcome back. Here's the community updates on March 4th. The City of Grand Rapids has begun the planning phase for its new master plan. Work on the plan comes nearly 20 years after adoption of the city's current master plan. The city's master plan guides city policy on issues such as land use, development, infrastructure, public safety, job training, sustainability, and overall quality of life. It covers 20 to 30 years and requires a review every 5 years, providing opportunities for regular changes. The last plan was completed in 2002. The new master plan will highlight new priorities such as equity, inclusion, and environmental sustainability. Housing availability and affordability will also become a higher priority. With the planning phase of the master plan process, the City of Grand Rapids is calling for public feedback and participation. City staff plan to host community meetings to discuss the future of Grand Rapids and how the master plan can better represent and serve its residents. That process will tentatively begin late summer of 2021. The adoption phase of the new master plan is currently planned to begin in the later half of 2022. Detailed updates about the planning process are available in a February presentation by the city's planning department, available on its website. Governor Gretchen Whitmer and the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services have announced looser restrictions for indoor dining and other social gathering spaces starting Friday. The capacity changes allows restaurants and bars to operate indoors at 50% capacity and up to 100 people. There will also be an 11 p.m. curfew. Other capacity changes include indoor entertainment venues such as movie theaters, which will also be able to operate at 50% capacity, up to 300 people. Others are indoor non-residential gatherings being permitted up to 25 people, exercise facilities permitted up to 30% capacity with distancing and face covering requirements, and more. A full list of capacity changes issued by the MDHHS is available on its website. The governor and the department also announced that COVID-19 vaccine eligibility will open up for all Michiganders age 50 and over starting March 22nd, with some groups within that age range even sooner. As Kent County residents wait their turn for vaccines, the KCHD is urging all eligible residents to visit vaccinatewestmi.com and complete a vaccination registration form with a local provider. The Rapidian encourages residents to share their own stories related to civic, economic, and public health developments in the Grand Rapids area on the Rapidian's platform. Check out this week's featured articles on the Rapidian's homepage, and to get started as a community reporter by visiting therapidian.org/write. This video is supported by the Michigan Council for Arts and Cultural Affairs, the Lowell Arts Center, and the National Endowment for the Arts. This update is brought to you by the Rapidian, GRTV, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Take care.